All right, let's talk about your Jira data. We're going to crack open that vault and show you how to use the Time and Status app to pull out the exact insights you need. You know, the kind that actually solve problems and make you look like a rock star to your stakeholders. Let's dive in. We've all been there, right? You just know the answers are in Jira, like why that one task has been stuck in progress for 3 weeks. But actually getting that information out feels, well, impossible.
Exactly. Your boss wants a simple chart showing average cycle time, but you're stuck in a spreadsheet nightmare trying to make sense of a raw data dump. The info is there, but getting it into a format that people can actually use, that's the real challenge. Okay, so let's start with the fastest way to get your data out of Jira. Think of these as your quick wins. They're simple, they're direct, and they are so useful for those times you just need the numbers like right now. And you have a ton of options right out of the box. You can instantly see how long issues are sitting in any given status, check assignee workload to see who's swamped, or spot major process problems just by looking at transition counts. This isn't just a generic data dump. It's targeted intelligence. And it couldn't be easier. Seriously, you just generate the report you want, click one little button, and bam, it's on your computer as a CSV or an Excel file. Now you're all set to build pivot tables, make custom charts, or do whatever you need to do. Now listen up, because this pro tip will save you a massive headache later. If you're planning to do any math or build any charts, always export your time in a decimal format. It turns something messy like 3 days and 6 hours into a clean number like 3.25, which Excel actually understands. Trust me, it's a total game changer for analysis. And hey, it's not just about the raw numbers. If you've built a beautiful chart inside Time and Status, you can export it directly as an image. It's perfect for dropping right into a PowerPoint slide or your weekly status report. You can even do this without ever leaving your main Jira dashboard. Just add the Time and Status gadget, set up the view you want, and the export button is right there. It's all about getting the data you need with zero hassle. So, those quick exports, they're fantastic for one-off reports. But what if you want to build live automated dashboards that are always up to date? For that, we need to go a level deeper. We need the master key. And here it is, the JSON data feed. I know, the name sounds a little technical, but don't worry about that. All this is a special, secure link that acts like a live pipeline for your report data. It lets you plug Time and Status directly into all your other favorite tools. The key word here is integrate. We're going way beyond static, one-time downloads now. This is about creating a live, breathing connection between your Jira data and the powerful BI tools your company is already using. You set it up once, and it just works. Now, before you can generate this master key, there's one super important thing you have to do first. You need to build the exact report you want, with all the right columns, filters, and settings, and save it as a preset. Think of this preset as the blueprint for the data that's going to flow through the pipeline. Okay, once your preset is saved, getting the link is a piece of cake. You just go to the dropdown, select Data Feed, and copy the unique link it gives you. This one little link is the key that's going to unlock everything we're about to talk about. All right, key in hand, let's go open some doors. And first up is one of the biggest BI tools on the planet, Microsoft Power BI. Connecting this stuff is so easy, it almost feels like cheating. In Power BI, you just click Get Data from Web, paste in that link you just copied from Jira, and that's it. Your live Jira data is now flowing right into Power BI, ready for you to build some amazing visuals. And this is where things get really powerful. Now you can build live dashboards showing your team's real-time performance. You can finally prove that the code review step is your biggest bottleneck. You can even mesh up this Jira data with, say, your financial data to see the actual cost of those delays. The possibilities are huge. But maybe you're more of a spreadsheet wizard and you live inside Google Sheets. No problem at all. You can pipe that same live data stream directly into your spreadsheets. There's a simple template you can use. You just authorize a script, paste in your JSON link, and your Time and Status data will flow right into the sheet. And the best part? You can set it to refresh automatically, so your spreadsheet is always up to date. Okay, what about sharing this visibility with the whole team? Well, you can embed these live reports right onto your Confluence pages. Put that critical workflow data right where everyone can see it, next to your project plans and meeting notes. With a free little macro, you just type /tis on your Confluence page, paste in that very same JSON link we've been using, and poof,
A live, interactive report appears right there for the whole team to see. And look, this isn't just limited to a few specific tools. That one JSON link connects you to other powerful platforms like EasyBI and Click, too. The principle is exactly the same. One secure link opens up a whole world of possibilities.
So let's just recap really quick. For that fast analysis, or for dropping a chart into a presentation, those direct CSV and image exports are your best friend. But for building those powerful live dashboards and setting up truly automated reporting, the JSON data feed is your master key.
The bottom line is this: your data does not have to be trapped inside Jira anymore. Whether you need a quick spreadsheet for yourself or a fully automated BI dashboard for the entire company, you now have the keys to unlock it and turn it into real, powerful insights.
So I'll just leave you with this one thought. Now that your data is finally free, what's the first question you're going to ask it? What's that hidden bottleneck you're finally going to uncover? The power is officially in your hands. Go find out.